The importance of USA-made carbide. Burr tools for edge refinement in welding. As welders, you know that the quality of your work depends not only on your skill, but also on the tools you use. One critical step in achieving professional, high-quality welds is edge refinement, and USA-made carbide burr tools are indispensable for this process. These precision tools are designed to refine sharp or irregular edges on welded parts, ensuring uniformity, improving fit for assembly, and preparing surfaces for finishing processes. Let's dive into why these tools are a must-have in your welding toolkit, and how they elevate your work. Why edge refinement matters in welding. Edge refinement is the process of smoothing, shaping, or deburring the edges of welded metal parts to remove imperfections such as sharp edges, burrs, or irregularities left after welding. This step is crucial for several reasons. Improved fit and assembly. Welded parts often need to fit precisely with other components in an assembly. Irregular or sharp edges can interfere with proper alignment, leading to gaps, misfits, or weakened joints. Carbide burr tools allow you to refine edges to exact specifications, ensuring seamless integration during assembly. Enhanced safety. Sharp edges or burrs on welded parts pose safety risks, both during handling and in the final application. Refining these edges with carbide burrs eliminates hazards, protecting you, your co-workers, and end users. Better surface preparation for finishing. Whether you're applying paint, powder coating, or other finishes, a smooth, uniform edge is essential for achieving a professional result. Carbide burr tools create clean, consistent surfaces that improve adhesion and the overall appearance of the finished product. Increased durability and performance. Irregular edges can create stress points that weaken the structural integrity of a weld. By refining edges, you reduce the risk of cracks or fatigue, enhancing the longevity and performance of the welded part. Time and cost efficiency. Properly refined edges reduce the need for rework or additional finishing steps, saving you time and money in the production process. Why choose USA-made carbide burr tools? Not all carbide burr tools are created equal, and USA-made carbide burrs stand out for their quality, performance, and reliability. Here's why they're the top choice for welders. Superior material quality. USA-made carbide burr tools are crafted from high-grade tungsten carbide, known for its exceptional hardness and durability. This ensures the tools maintain their cutting edge even when working on tough materials like stainless steel, titanium, or hardened alloys commonly used in welding. Precision engineering. Manufactured with strict quality control standards, these tools are designed for precision. Their consistent cutting geometry allows for smooth, controlled material removal, giving you the accuracy needed for intricate edge refinement tasks. Versatility. Carbide burr tools come in a variety of shapes, e.g., cylindrical, ball, tree, or flame, and sizes, making them adaptable to different welding applications. Whether you're smoothing a fillet weld, deburring a complex joint, or shaping a contoured edge, there's a carbide burr for the job. Longevity and cost-effectiveness. Thanks to their robust construction, USA-made carbide burrs last longer than lower-quality alternatives, reducing the frequency of replacements and providing better value over time. Support for American manufacturing. By choosing USA-made tools, you're supporting domestic manufacturers and workers, ensuring that high-quality tools remain available for professionals like you. How carbide burr tools enhance edge refinement. Carbide burr tools are rotary cutting tools used with high-speed die grinders or rotary tools. Their sharp fluted cutting edges remove material efficiently, allowing you to refine welded edges with precision. Here's how they work in practice. Deburring. After welding, metal parts often have burrs or rough edges caused by heat distortion or material buildup. Carbide burrs quickly remove these imperfections, leaving a smooth, clean edge. Edge shaping. For applications requiring specific edge profiles, e.g., chamfered or rounded edges, carbide burrs allow you to shape edges accurately to meet design specifications. Surface smoothing. Weld imperfections, such as spatter or uneven bead surfaces, can be smoothed out with carbide burrs, improving both aesthetics and functionality. Material versatility. Whether you're working with carbon steel, aluminum, or exotic alloys, carbide burrs cut through materials efficiently without clogging or overheating. Best practices for using carbide burr tools. To get the most out of your USA-made carbide burr tools, follow these tips. choose the right burr shape and size. Select a burr shape that matches the contour of the edge you're refining. For example, use a cylindrical burr for flat edges, or a ball-shaped burr for curved surfaces. Use the correct speed. Operate your die grinder at the recommended RPM for the burr size and material. Too high a speed can cause excessive heat, while too low a speed may reduce cutting efficiency. Apply consistent pressure. Let the tool do the work. Apply light, steady pressure to avoid gouging the workpiece or wearing out the burr prematurely. Maintain your tools. Clean carbide burrs regularly to remove metal chips and debris. Proper maintenance extends their lifespan and ensures consistent performance. Wear proper PPE. Always wear safety glasses, gloves, and other protective equipment when using rotary tools to protect against flying debris. Visit our website today and save 10%. Ready to elevate your welding game with USA-made carbide burr tools? Visit our website today to explore our full range of high-quality carbide burrs designed for welders. For a limited time, use the promo code at checkout to enjoy 10% off your purchase. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in tools that deliver precision, durability, and value for your welding projects.